Ethan, tell me something honestly.
Sure, what?
Have you ever walked out of a supermarket with completely the wrong thing?
Oh, yes, many times actually.
What happened?
I once asked for skimmed milk. I came home with condensed milk.
Those are completely different things, Ethan.
I know that now. My coffee that morning was absolutely terrible
And why did you get the wrong one?
because I did not know how to ask clearly in English.
One wrong word, completely wrong product.
And a very bad cup of coffee.
Today we make sure that never happens to anyone again.
Welcome to Daily English Learning. I am Ethan.
And I'm Sophia. Today we are covering real-life English at a supermarket.
This is one of those topics that seems simple.
But the moment you're standing in a huge supermarket,
With a trolley and a long shopping list and no idea where anything is.
suddenly simple does not feel so simple anymore.
So today we cover everything. Let us get started right now.
First, asking for help finding a product.
This is the most common situation in any supermarket.
You cannot find what you need. You approach a staff member.
Always smile first, then ask politely.
Say, "Excuse me, could you help me, please?"
I'm looking for the cooking oil. Could you tell me which aisle it is in?
Aisle. That is the word for the long corridors between shelves in a supermarket.
Such an important word. I used to say which road is the oil on.
The road?
I did not know the word aisle. The staff member looked very confused.
I can imagine, but now you know, and so does everyone listening.
The staff member will usually say it is in aisle 5 on the left side.
Or it is at the back of the store near the dairy section.
Dairy section, that is where milk, cheese, and butter are kept.
Other sections you need to know, the produce section for fruits and vegetables.
The bakery section for bread and pastries.
The frozen food section for ice cream and frozen meals.
The household section for cleaning products and toiletries.
Knowing these section names makes your shopping so much faster always.
Now, what about asking if a product is available?
Sometimes you cannot find something on the shelf.
You approach a staff member and say, "Excuse me, I'm looking for oat milk."
I've checked the dairy aisle, but I can't seem to find it anywhere. Do you have it in stock, or is it currently unavailable?
In stock means available and ready to buy right now.
The staff member might say, "Let me check in the back for you."
One moment while they check, then they come back and say,
I'm afraid that item is currently out of stock.
out of stock means not available right now.
You can then ask, when do you expect it to be available again?
Or, do you have a similar alternative you could recommend?
Alternative, such a useful word in a supermarket situation.
It means a different product that does the same thing.
So instead of oat milk, maybe almond milk or soy milk.
Always ask for an alternative to not just leave empty-handed.
Now let's talk about reading product labels.
This is something many people struggle with, honestly.
You pick up a product and you need to check certain things.
The first thing, the expiry date.
Always check this before putting anything in your trolley.
If you can't find it, ask a staff member, "Could you help me find the expiry date on this, please?"
Or, "Excuse me, is this product still within its expiry date?"
The second thing, ingredients, very important for allergies.
Say, "Excuse me, does this product contain any nuts or gluten?"
Or, "I have a dairy allergy. Could you check if this contains any milk products?"
The staff member will check and tell you immediately.
Never assume. Always ask when allergies are involved.
Your safety is always more important than feeling shy to ask.
Always, no exceptions at all.
Now, what about asking for a specific quantity or weight?
At the deli counter or fresh food section, this comes up a lot.
The staff member behind the counter will say, "What can I get for you today?"
Say, "Could I have 200 grams of sliced turkey, please?"
Or, "I would like half a kilogram of this cheese, please."
Or, "Could I get 6 slices of that ham, please?"
What if they slice too much?
Say, "That's a little more than I need, actually."
Could you remove a few slices, please?
That's completely fine to say. They do it many times every day.
And what if you want to try something before buying?
Some delis offer samples. Say, "Would it be possible to try a small piece first?"
Or, "Could I have a taste of that cheese before I decide, please?"
Most SOF are very happy to let you try before you buy, always.
Now let's do a full real-life supermarket conversation together.
Perfect. I'll play the supermarket staff, you be the shopper.
Great, let's begin.
Good afternoon. Can I help you find anything today?
Good afternoon. Yes, please. I'm looking for gluten-free pasta. I checked aisle 3, but I couldn't find it anywhere.
Ah, yes. Our gluten-free products are actually in aisle 7. We keep all our free-from products together in one dedicated section.
Oh, that makes sense. Thank you so much. While I have you, do you also carry brown rice flour?
Let me check our system for you. One moment, please. Yes, we do have it. It should be on the bottom shelf in aisle 7 as well.
Wonderful. And one more thing. I picked up this pasta sauce. I can't find the expiry date on it. Could you help me locate it?
Of course, it's usually printed on the bottom of the jar. Here, this one expires in March next year. Plenty of time.
Perfect, thank you. I also have a nut allergy. Does this sauce contain any nuts or nut traces?
Let me check the allergen information for you. It does say may contain traces of nuts on the label here.
Oh, thank you for checking. I'll leave that one then. Could you recommend a similar sauce that's completely nut-free?
Absolutely. Our own brand pasta sauce has no nut content at all. It's in the same aisle and actually costs less as well.
That's perfect. Thank you so much for all your help today.
My pleasure. Enjoy your shopping. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.
And scene. That was handled so perfectly, Sophia.
Did you notice? She used the word aisle correctly right away.
She asked about the expiry date clearly and confidently.
She mentioned her allergy immediately without feeling shy at all.
And she asked for an alternative when the first product was not safe.
Every conversation had a clear purpose. Nothing wasted, nothing guessed.
That's how every supermarket visit should feel, always. Now let's talk about the checkout counter.
This is the last step, but it's where many people get nervous.
Because the cashier speaks fast and there's a queue behind you,
But checkout conversations are actually short and predictable.
the cashier will say, "Did you find everything you were looking for today?"
Say, yes, thank you, everything was easy to find. Or, mostly yes, one item was out of stock, but I found a good alternative.
Then they'll scan your items and say, "That'll be 850 rupees, please."
You pay and say, here you go, could I have a bag, please?
Or, "Do you have any reusable bags available to purchase?"
After paying, they might say, would you like your receipt?
Say, "Yes, please, I'll keep it just in case."
Or, no thank you, I don't need it today.
Always keep your receipt for expensive or fresh items,
In case you need to return something later.
which we covered in a previous episode, actually.
Perfect timing, 2 episodes working together beautifully.
What about using the self-checkout machine?
More and more supermarkets have these now.
And they can be confusing if you've never used one before.
If you need help, approach a nearby staff member and say, excuse me, I'm not sure how to use the self-checkout machine. Could you help me get started, please?
They'll walk you through it immediately, no judgment at all.
And if the machine shows an error, don't panic. Just press the help button or say to the nearby staff member, excuse me, my machine seems to have an error. Could you take a look?
They deal with machine errors many times every single day.
It's completely normal. Nothing to feel embarrassed about ever. Let's also cover some quick, useful phrases before we close.
When asking where something is, which aisle is the bread in, please?
When something is out of stock, do you have any in the back, perhaps?
When asking about an alternative, what would you recommend instead?
When checking for allergens, does this contain any dairy or gluten?
When at the deli counter, could I have 200 grams of this, please?
When at checkout, could I have a bag, please?
6 phrases, every supermarket situation covered completely.
So simple, but so powerful when you actually use them confidently.
Let's do our final recap of everything we covered today.
First, learn the key section names: produce, dairy, bakery, frozen, household.
Second, always use the word aisle when asking where something is.
Third, ask for alternatives when something is out of stock.
Fourth, always check expiry days before putting anything in your trolley.
Fifth, never assume about allergens. Always ask a staff member.
Sixth, at the deli counter, specify quantity in grams or kilograms clearly.
Seventh, keep receipts for expensive or fresh items always.
And eighth, never feel embarrassed to ask for help anywhere in the store.
These 8 things will make every supermarket visit completely effortless.
And my coffee will never taste terrible again because of wrong milk.
That's the most important lesson of today, honestly, Ethan.
I'm completely serious about that.
Listeners, you shop every single week.
And now every shopping trip will feel so much easier and more confident.
Practice these phrases the next time you walk into any store.
Drop the word supermarket in the comments right now.
And share this with someone who struggles with English while shopping.
That's all for today's episode of Daily English Learning.
Thank you so much for spending this time learning with us today.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning and keep growing always.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy shopping, and always check the expiry date.